Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a Wix website for online jewelry store. So to get started with that, you have to open your Wix account, then sign into your account, then create a new site, then select online store, then search for jewelry store template and pick one that fits your style. Then after that, you have to edit to start customizing. Once you do that, then edit the home page. They can also add logo and a brand name to your website, and you can also update the text, the font, and the color to match your brand. Then use the high quality image of your jewelry. Then after that, you can also create important page in your website. For example, you can add a important page for product display, city shop, about us, contact, the shipping and return, and also can also add a navigation menu. For that, click menus page and customize your menu. Then after that, ensure easy access to shop and content page. And after that, you can also add product to your store. And so to do that, you have to go to the Wix dashboard, then go to the store product, then add new product. And for you to do that, you have to upload a clear high quality image with multiple angles. And after that, you have to add the product name, description, the price, stock, and categories. Then also once you're done with that, then click on save. And when done, you can also set up the payment shipping. So go to settings and click on accept payment, then choose PayPal, Stream, or and also use Wix payment for online transaction. Then set up your shipping rate and policies under the store settings. Then after that, switch to mobile view in the Wix editor and adjust your layout if needed. Then after that, you can also add the keywords just for yourself. You can get an handmade silver ring. Then also write a SEO friendly page title and description to enable Google index. Once you're done with that, click on publish to make your site live. And also you can also promote your website via social media and email marketing and ads, and offer discounts or free shipping to attract customers. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.